Hello everyone, I'm Professor Meenakshi Singh and in our microeconomics lecture series, our today's topic is circular flow of income. Circular flow of income we can explain as the unending flow of production of goods and services, income and expenditure in an economy. It shows the redistribution of income in a circular manner between the production unit and households. The structure of economy is given by circular flow of income and output. In fact, national income accounting has its foundation in the model of circular flow, which can depicted in two sector, three sector and the four sector model. In our previous video lecture, we already had covered the two sector model. Today we are going to discuss about the three sector and the four sector model. Circular flow of income in a three sector economy or three sector model, in addition to household and firms, inclusion of the government sector, as we can see in the diagram also, makes this model as a three sector model. The government imposes taxes on households and firms, purchases goods and services from firms and receive factors of production from household sector. These factors are land, labor and capital. On the other hand, the government also makes social transfers such as pension, relief, subsidies to the households. Similarly, government pays the firm for the purchases of goods and services. As we can show with this flow chart, under this three sector model, national income is obtained by adding consumption expenditure, investment expenditure and government expenditure. This equation we can show as y is equal to c plus I plus g. Here y stand for income, c stand for consumption, I stand for income and G stand for government expenditures. Coming on four sector economy or the four sector model. In a four sector economy, in addition to household, firms and government, a fourth sector, namely external sector. In this diagram, we had shown this external or sector as a rest of the world. In real life, only four sector economy exists. This model is composed of four sectors, namely household, firms, government and external sectors. As we can see in this flow chart also, the external sector comprises exports and imports. In four sector economy, expenditure for the entire economy include domestic expenditure, which we show as a consumption, investment and the government expenditures, and net exports, which we denote by the X minus M. X are exports and M are imports, and whatever the difference of exports or import will be, we call it as a net exports. Therefore, this equation we can explain as a y is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure and net exports. Thank you so much. Before leaving, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in another video. Happy learning. Thank you.